All right, guys. Another trade breakdown of today on how I banked 10 grand on this TBT account. Uh, and yeah, I'm just gonna do a trade breakdown for you guys so you guys can do the same. So free info, you know what I'm saying? So let's get right into the video. I'm not gonna talk too much. Why were we shorting today? So obviously, if you look at this daily close, super bearish. There's nothing bullish about it except this divergence that we broke like during London session. So obviously, we did not want longs anymore after that. And we have this low right here that I want to get touched, which I did send out in my Discord as well right here. Let me copy that. Boom. So I wanted this to get taken way before market opened, or I think it was as market opened, but you get the point. So we see this low and we want that to be taken. Just text me, bro. And yeah, it's all sent out in the Discord every single day, obviously. Uh, and now let's go over our lower time frame since we are bearish. So why were we shorting over here? Now, let's talk about it. What were we seeing over here? So we see NQ manipulating these highs at market open and we distribute lower. So basically, we accumulated, we manipulated this high and we distributed lower. So just lower time frame AMD. NQ manipulates, ES holds back, showing that we are going lower, making lower lows, bearish continuation, and we'll make lower highs, and then we'll make another lower low. And that another lower low was coincidentally our TP. So let's go over our exact entry. So basically, whenever we have SMT highs like this, we want this order block usually to hold. So what this means is that this is a protected high, because first of all, we also had this SMT and we made a low time from SMT right here. So that was like a confirmed high and we went lower. Makes sense? Makes sense. And yeah, let's go over the enter trigger part. Why did I enter? Because I didn't enter instantly, obviously. I waited for some sort of confirmation, which obviously you see that we're in this order block within a couple of these candles, and I did not instantly enter. What made me wait, what made me patient is right here. Obviously, seeing all this chop, this is not what I want to see within our level. I want to see some very strong, like, sort of reaction. And I want to see some sort of like lower time frame SMT, right? So I want to see, uh, like, basically SMT on the mid time frame and the lower time frame. That's like the highest confirmation, um, or highest probability. Uh, what's the word I'm looking for? Like setup, let's just say. So right here, obviously we want this high to not get taken because of this SMT and this SMT. So now we're waiting within this zone to short. So, and whatever confirmed the high is another lower time frame divergence. So you see NQ failed to make this high while ES is already up here. It is making new highs while NQ is holding back and closing below. And I'm like, okay, now that we have this lower time from SMT, let's see if this holds, this works. And I'm like, okay, I'll market order in and bang. Super simple. Basically, the only confluence was just this low time from divergence. Yes, it could have been this order block, but I personally just, I don't know. It was enough confluence for me. My stop was way bigger. Would have been the whole count, obviously, so it's all the way up here. And if it came all the way up here, it just would not be valid anymore. So yeah, and let me just show you guys. I also did send this out as well right here. Basically the same 5-minute order block on the 1-minute time frame. I wanted this to hold 637.78 or 75. Yeah, I wanted that to hold before I even got there. So it's not hindsight. We really do this. We really do this out here. So, um, yeah, I mean, there's not much else to talk about. You just kind of hold to your next round liquidity. Unfortunately, I did hit the 10K before my drawn liquidity. Well, not unfortunately, actually. Very, very good, but yeah, we hit the 10K TPT method, like I've talked about in the other videos. But yeah, TPT method in these high probability setups. Yeah, there's nothing better than that, to be honest. That's pretty much it. There's not much else to talk about. Yeah. If you guys have any new video suggestions, you guys just gotta let me know. Uh, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. That's how you make 10 G's. All right. Let me sit my stupid ass down. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys let me know if there's anything else you want to see. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one.